We are going to be installing this Lutron brand switch. It would work through the internet with this bridge. This end would be connected to the router of the home or business. And this other cable will be connected to an outlet. And through this equipment that is connected to the router and this switch, we can control the lights in our home or business from anywhere we are. This switch also works with this Pico or remote control. And the same thing we do through this switch, we can do it through this Pico, like a three-way switch. It has a piece here in the back that sticks to the wall so it doesn't fall off. Now we are going to install this dimmer switch with a light. And for that, we are going to use this extension cord. This extension cord that we are going to connect here to this outlet to use it as a power supply. And with this end of the extension cord, we are going to simulate that this is the branch circuit, supposedly in the box where the switch will be on the wall of the house or anywhere it is. This would be the circuit that we would have in the box where the switch will be installed. This neutral may not be in the switch box, but if it isn't in the switch box, this neutral will be in the box where the light is installed. In this example, the neutral will pass through the switch box. This is the ground screw of the box for protection, and in this box, we will have the light installed. This box already has the ground installation for protection, and the three cables that will connect this box with this one. The neutral that the light needs, in this case I put a red one, that will be the switch leg of the switch, and the ground green cable that continues towards the light as well. So let's assume this is the installation we have in the house between the switch and the light box that will be on the ceiling or somewhere else. This smart dimmer switch only has the ground and two cables. We connect the switch to the ground of the line. To the ground of the box, AB is all together. And to the ground that goes to the light. Now we are going to make the connection of the dimmer switch. What do we have? Two cables. Since they are both the same color, we can use either one for the live wire or switch leg. In this we connect the live wire that comes from the line, which is this cable that we have here that will be connected to this outlet. We connect the live wire to this black one on the dimmer switch. And we have this cable that when the dimmer switch closes the circuit, the live wire will pass through the red wire to the light. So the red wire is going to be connected here. We already have the ground wire going to the light, and we have the switch leg connected to the red wire, which connects to the live wire through the dimmer switch when it closes its internal circuit. What are we missing? The neutral. There are dimmer switches that connect to the neutral. In this case, this one does not. Then we send the neutral directly towards the light. If this light box is on the ceiling or wherever, and has the neutral coming from somewhere else, so we don't need to connect this neutral here, we would only send the switch leg and the ground. But since wires should not be passed through a conduit or Romex alone, we pass the three of them, even though we don't use this neutral in the light box, because it already has it there. And we use the one that has the light connected or change it for this one. If it is a new installation, we use this neutral for the light. We already have the switch connected, we just need to connect the light. As a light, we are going to use this light bulb with a socket. As you can see, it doesn't have a ground wire, so we leave it connected. To the ground wire of the box, we connect the neutral white. The neutral, which is normally white in the light, and on the other side of the socket, we connect this red switch leg that comes from the dimmer. And we already have all the connection made. Sometimes we use lights like these that are LED. They are 12-volt LED lights that have a transformer here from 120, 115, or 110 to 12 volts that connects and sends 12 volts to the light. In this case, it does have the ground wire. In this case, it would be the same connection, and the ground wire would go here in this green one. This white with this white here, and this black with the red. For now, we are going to use this light bulb. Now we are going to connect to the power. The light bulb lit up. We are going to press the off button. We realize that the light bulb does not turn off, does nothing for any button. And it must be that this light bulb is not for dimming. then we are going to use this other one. This is a light bulb for dimming. You can continue in video 166B.